friends. We are presenting the Q2 FY14 preview for the automotive sector. Now, as far as the automotive sector is concerned, the automotive sector, including the coverage as well as the non-coverage universe, is expected to show a revenue growth of 12.8% in this quarter. As far as the profitability is concerned, we are expecting a profit growth of around 8% for our automotive universe. But if we exclude Tata Motors from our coverage universe, then we are expecting a lower revenue growth of 3.3% on a YoY basis, whereas the profitability is expected to grow by around 4%. So if we exclude Tata Motors, the earnings growth is expected to be in low single digits for the automotive sector. Now, as far as the outperformers for this results are concerned, we are expecting Maruti Suzuki and TVS Motors to outperform in the automotive space. For Maruti Suzuki, we are expecting PAT growth of 150%, although this would be on a lower base of the corresponding period last year. TVS Motors is expected to show a strong growth of 53% in its earnings during this quarter. As far as the ancillary space is concerned, we are expecting Exide to outperform the ancillary space. We are expecting an Exide's earnings to grow by 43% on a YoY basis. Now, as far as the underperformers are concerned, we are expecting Ashok Leyland to underperform. Ashok Leyland is expected to report a loss in this quarter as well due to the steep decline in the MHCV volumes. Now, as far as the outlook of the sector is concerned, we are expecting festive season would lead to recovery in the automotive volumes in the near term. Also, because of the good monsoons, we are expecting the crop output to be higher, which would boost the rural incomes, and this would have a positive impact on the automotive volumes. Amongst the automotive universe, we are expecting two-wheeler sales to get a strong benefit, given that the majority of the volumes of the two-wheelers, significant volume of the two-wheelers are derived from the rural areas. So we expect out of our automotive universe, the two-wheeler space to recover, to see more recovery in the volumes. Now, as far as our top pick in the sector is concerned, we continue to prefer M&M as our top pick. This is because the tractor sales have been showing very strong demand because of the normal monsoons, and because of the higher crop output, we expect the tractor demand to remain strong going forward. Also, automotive volumes, though they are under pressure, the recovery is expected given the festive season, given the onset of the festive season. So M&M continues to remain our topic in this space. Thank you.